Spoofing, or protocol manipulation, is a high-tech approach to counter drones. The approach takes control of a targeted drone by hijacking the communication link, essentially making the drone submit to a new master. Once the drone is under the new controller, it can be directed to return to the takeoff point to assist in identifying the operator, or it can be directed to land in a specific location where the threat can be assessed. If set up correctly, the technology can be used to create an invisible net around a secure location. The system can monitor any drones that enter this net, identify what type of drone it is, and take control of it. It's a particularly effective approach because of the low chance of collateral damage. Unlike technology that jams a controller or GPS signal and can cause some drones to crash, spoofing keeps the drone in control. Companies such as Department 13 International, Citadel, Drone Fence, and Lockheed Martin have developed spoofing technology. If the drone is within range, a net can be an effective counter. Nets for drones are designed to entangle the targeted drone and/or its rotors. There's a wide variety of delivery methods for nets. They can be carried from larger drones, such as the approach taken by Japanese police, shot from other drones, such as the Delft Dynamics approach, or shot from a shoulder-mounted net launcher. Many of the nets have built-in parachutes designed to safely lower the captured drone to the ground. The Skywall 100 is one of the more impressive net-based approaches. It is a 22-pound, shoulder-mounted net launcher that uses compressed gas to fire a net-carrying canister at drones up to 110 yards away. Think t-shirt cannon, but with a net rather than a t-shirt. It also uses a smart scope to automatically calculate the drone's distance and movements, and then computes the exact moment to fire and alerts the operator. Once the net has captured the drone, it deploys a small parachute to bring the targeted drone down safely. It has an 8-second reload time and is almost silent to operate. A drone caught in a net has little chance of escape. However, net-based attacks can be defended by creating a protective chicken wire bubble around the drone. Companies with net-based solutions include Atheus UAV Solutions, SkySec, and OpenWorks Engineering. Lasers offer another high-tech approach to countering drones. A laser gun uses directed energy to destroy vital segments of the drone, causing it to crash to the ground. Lasers are a military-level counter option. They are typically mounted on vehicles, so they lack the portability of other solutions. Lasers are multifunctional. Many of them were initially developed as a countermeasure to missiles and IEDs. In more recent years, they have been used on the battlefield to counter drones. Lasers are a unique solution. They have no muzzle flash, sound, or kickback. As a laser travels at the speed of light, there's no need to consider the direction and speed of target. You simply aim and click. There's nothing subtle about the effects of a laser. A successful attack will leave the drone racing to the earth in flames. As such, outside of a battlefield, there's limited application for laser-based drone counters. Companies such as Boeing, Lockheed Martin, MBDA Deutschland, and Marduk Technologies have all developed laser-based drone counters. Projectiles offer a more direct option. There are regular or custom-designed ammunition available that will destroy or disable incoming drones. At just $20 for a pack of 3, the Skynet 12-gauge shotgun shells are one of the cheapest options available. Inside the shells is a 5-foot web attached to tethering pieces that expand outwards. The net wraps around the drones, interfering with the propellers and forcing the drone to the ground. If the round misses the drone, it is designed to parachute to the ground to reduce unwanted damage or injury. The biggest weakness to the Skynet shells is that it requires a shotgun, which massively limits where you can use it. So great for the farm, terrible for the city. Alternatively, there are also non-drone specific options available. The Skynet shells are made by Amtech. Non-physical attacks from drone guns or drone jammers are highly effective at stopping drones. These devices are essentially a high-powered antenna that blasts the drone's antenna with a signal powerful enough to drown out the controller. Many drones respond to this lack of signal by returning home, attempting a safe landing, or crashing out in the sky. These devices are practical at over 1 mile, have no reload time, can function for 2 hours, and require minimal training. They're often sold as part of a larger system that detects drones, sends alerts to security, who in turn use these devices to disable the drone. There are 3 challenges with jammers. Firstly, jamming devices are illegal for a civilian to own or operate in many countries. Secondly, they are a blanket approach that jams mobiles and other GPS signals. And thirdly, some drones respond to jammers by crashing into the ground. There are loads of companies offering jamming devices: Battle, Kerbear, ArtSys 360, and more. There are other approaches beyond these 5 methods, such as collision drones, eagles, golf clubs, jet skis, and more, but essentially all counter-drone approaches fall into one of these groups. The demand for counter-drone technology has only really emerged in the last 3 years. There is no international standard for the design and use of counter-drone technology. Many of the solutions are not mature, and testing has shown that some fail to make advertised claims. This is particularly troubling, as a jamming system could interfere with emergency radio communication, or a physical attack could miss its target. In September 2017, Homeland Security recommended only 13 counter-drone products for use by emergency response agencies. That's pretty low considering there are over 230 products on the market. This video was partly based on a paper written by Arthur Mitchell. If you're interested in learning more, I've included a link to it below. Let me know what solution was your favourite in the comments below. Embrace curiosity. Thanks for watching.